What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. I have finally gotten to my overview and review. So if you are watching this video, I've gotten caught up on all my first impressions because apparently I bought a lot of knives in I guess a short time span. I don't know. But I was doing videos and I finally can start doing reviews and just start talking about how I actually like the knives after a little bit of time. This one is the Benchmade Bugout. And also, as you can see, it's got the textured aluminum scales. So, for the price, it was $270. I still like it. I actually had a few problems with it. In order for to get it flipped pretty well, it flips really nice now, like it did before, but it's a little loose. I've tried to kind of get that figured out, but it's either too tight and it won't just fall, or it's loose. So I don't know. I'll still fight with it, I guess, off and on. I don't know. But the one thing, I'm just going to go over my very first problem with it that happened, why I was carrying it. It actually, a screw came out. And I don't know how long it had been out for. But this one right here, it came out, and like I said, I don't know how. I didn't even realize it was loose. So that's one thing. After this happened, I started checking my screws on my knife just to make sure they're not overly tight, but they're snug. They're not going to just fall out. But so that kind of frustrated me when I finally found that. And I actually got in contact with Benchmade. I think I just sent them an email. Yeah, I just sent them an email, and they got back to me, I think, the next day. And I just talked to them, told them what was going on originally, and I told them, hey, I had this screw missing. And they just asked, hey, what type of screw was a pivot or just another screw or what kind of screw. So I went ahead and went above and beyond. I sent pictures of it and everything, where it was missing at, and they said great. And honestly, it was very minimal effort. They sent I think 8 or 9 screws out, so obviously now I have extras. But it was great customer service. I was really impressed. Didn't have to do anything. Didn't have to pay for anything. They sent the new screws out and put it right back in, and I was just amazed. It's my first time dealing with a knife company and what kind of their customer service and what kind of goes on and everything. And it was, like I said, minimal effort. I didn't have to do hardly anything. Just explain, hey, this is what happened. Don't know what happened to it. Don't know where it went. And sent me a screw right out. So to me, that's kind of top notch right there. I don't know about everybody, if anybody else has had problems with companies and stuff like that, or Benchmade, in particular. But for me, overall, Benchmade, top notch right now, just because of that. But I like those maroon thumb studs. I like them, and then the spacers and everything. I just think they all go really well. It does have the deep carry pocket clip, the miniature. I don't know what you call it, the small deep carry pocket clip. It doesn't really bug me that it's small. Obviously, it's a smaller knife. It's not ginormous. It does fit in my hand, but it's not overly large. So the smaller pocket clip doesn't really bug me. I actually kind of like it actually, but it's also got the tip up carry, and like I said, opens up like a charm. I don't think I really care for the jimping, how it is. It's just I don't really, when I do my knives, I don't really just hold it back here necessarily. Sometimes I choke up on it a little bit. So there's nothing there for you to really choke up on. I didn't like that, but obviously I'm not going to be really hammered down on it trying to cut stuff with this knife. But it's just a nice added bonus, I guess. I didn't really care for it back here. It does have the lanyard hole on it. I didn't have any problems with the blade or anything like that. Okay. Oh, don't laugh too hard. Just in case I screw this up, because as you can tell, I practiced a little bit beforehand. I don't really sit there and practice cutting paper to show how sharp knives are. So this is kind of a first for me. Well, not a first. I've done it here and there, just as whatever. But I'm not good at it, even on sharp knives. For some reason, I don't know. I don't know what it is. So you're all gonna watch me learn as I kind of go. So let's give it a try real quick. See how sharp it is. See, I told you I'm not the best. That was ugly. Don't judge. Oh man. So yeah, I think you guys got the hint. It is pretty sharp. But like I said, I want to get the weight of it too, because You got the size and everything like that. Let's get the length and the size. Like, I know what it says on the websites and stuff like that. Don't laugh either at my little purple sewing kit, measuring kit, tape measure thing. Don't judge. Alright, so the overall blade length is, it is a little over 3, probably like 3 1/8. And on the website it says 3.24, so that's probably pretty close. The overall length of the blade is 7.46, so that's, yeah, I'd say that's accurate. Okay, okay. I just like to see if they're right, you know. Again, I don't know if you know what the steel is. It is M390, so it's pretty sharp. I haven't had any problem with the 390 so far. It is on bronze pivot washers. Again, I don't know if you are into texturing like this on your scales, but I actually love it. Like, I don't know why. I look at it, and sometimes that's what I do. I just kind of look at it because it's so cool looking. Like, it's just the detail. Like, it's just awesome how detailed they got into, like, especially around the pivot. Like, I don't think that's, like I said, I think it's top notch. It's a little dirty. That's alright though. Again, like the bar lock, I love that bar lock. I don't know why. I think that's kind of like my favorite type of locking system right now is whatever they're called. Like bar lock, clutch lock, axis lock. They're all kind of the same right now, I guess. Different names. Every company has their own name for it, obviously. But overall, like I'm a bar lock fan. I'm going to get the weight real quick for you guys. Don't laugh again. Man, I'm just saying don't laugh a lot today. Man, I must be feeling down on myself. But I'm going to get the weight. Because it doesn't have the weight on the website, so I kind of wonder how heavy it is. Alright. Don't laugh at my food scale. It's old. So it's pretty light. 2 pounds, 5 ounces. That's pretty light. I like that. That's not 2 pounds. That's 2.5 ounces, man. I told you I just got off work, man. It's a busy day out in the cold. So it feels like it light. It feels pretty light. It's not heavy. It's something that you can definitely carry and almost feel like it's not even there. So I don't know what you guys feel about it, but this is one I actually probably carried quite a bit when I first got it. And like I said, I love the blade steel. I love the way it looks. It's been a good knife for me, except for the hole, the screw, whatever. And that was resolved very easily. But that's kind of like how I feel about it right now. So far, so good. So if you guys have had any problems with them or any comments or anything, just let me know. If you guys have had any experience with Benchmade and their like customer service, if you guys have had good time, good experiences with them, let me know. Because I'm still like, I was ecstatic because I was like, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. Watch them try to charge me for a daggone pivot screw or a screw, and watch it just end up stupid. But actually, like I said, it ended out awesome. I couldn't be happier about it. But just let me know what you guys think, alright? If you like the video, just give it a thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you.